how to fall in love with a place. Step 1, find food special to the area and eat it. A lot. Step 2, make friends. Start with other foreigners. Eventually learn enough the culture to befriend locals.
Welcome to Thailand.
Step 3, do something you'd never be able to do back home. Step 4, settle in and enjoy.
Cocktail for strong medium. Everything comes in.
Chiang Mai, northern Thailand. It can feel lively in certain areas, but never busy, which suits me. So, step 1, food.
I recommend khao soy because khao soy in Chiang Mai, the taste is tasty more than you try in Bangkok or another city.
Khao soy, soft egg noodles, creamy coconut curry soup, tender meat, I always go with chicken, and crispy fried noodles on top. This bowl of sheer delight becomes an almost daily dish for me.
Magnificent.
But I took it upon myself to conduct research. Where is the best khao soy in Chiang Mai?
My lips are burning and I'm in love. Best thing I've had in Thailand.
15 spots later, and I think I found it. It helps that this restaurant, down an alley and just 5 minutes from the old city, is
24-hour cow soy. Oh. Legitimately, I might be the happiest person on the goddamn planet. Are you seeing this? You might be eating food as good as this, but none better. Alright, I shall try. Let's do this on my fucking own. Ready? You take the noodles.
Dima. Very good. Amazing.
Really?
Hot, spicy, delicious.
But Chiang Mai is more than just one iconic dish. Eat anything you find served outdoors at night. You know, street food.
Listen folks, if I get fat in Thailand or fatter, I'm okay with that. Because all the food is so fucking good.
Probably the most popular dish in all of Thailand, pad krapao. Stir-fried holy basil, your choice of chicken, pork or beef. Add some garlic, Thai chilies, oyster sauce and soy sauce. Fried egg, optional.
My name is Sunny. You can call me Sunny. It's so easy. I just started for 4 months.
4 months?
Yes. Chiang Mai is the big city. Maybe there's the way to approve myself. Something like that. Here is traditional Thai sausage. Now it's maybe the 3rd time or 4th time that you come to take it. So
I'm quite...
maybe it's delicious.
I think so. Aroy ma.
Yeah, thank you so much. Wow, you are so rare item. My favorite food?
Yeah.
I love some kind of noodle.
Some kind of noodle.
Yes, I love noodle. It depends on our heart. Yes, that's something that we can do it by ourselves and it makes us better and no hurt someone. That's it for me. Yeah, it's cool.
Step 2, make friends.
We're all born to die.
I encounter a lot of fun people, all on their own journeys through Southeast Asia.
Being carefree. Don't care what other people think. Do whatever you want and love your life.
Many of whom I meet only once.
Stay happy. The world's peace.
One night out together, and then they're gone.
Tomorrow was never promised, so never today. You have to go and do what you want to do to be happy.
If you are lucky, you'll come across someone who is not a fleeting friend. In my case, a Veen.
I'm traveling for so long. It was either do the north or the south, and I kind of tossed a coin and I went to Chiang Mai. But I'm happy I did.
Really? You just tossed the coin?
Genuinely, yeah.
She's actually the one who brought me to get my first bowl of cow soy. I will forever be in her debt.
The first day I was here, I was genuinely depressed off my head. It was the first time I was like by myself properly. And within 24 hours, I met so many people. I am now currently on a night out with an amazing girl and like amazing friends that I've met. And just give it that initial 24 hours. It's a long journey up. Give yourself time to recover and leave the people come to you. That's my advice, genuinely.
A popular nearby town is called Pai. I wanted to check it out, and luckily Aveen was also heading that way. I trusted her with booking my first ever hostel.
Congratulations, Aveen. The nicest place ever. What do you want to get out of Pai?
I would like to meet some hippies, do some mushrooms.
And I will partake.
And you will partake.
Thailand's okay, I guess.
Pai has tipsy tubing, where you float down the river to several bars.
I'm drunk at like 3 o'clock in the day in the sun. I'm pretty happy.
You fall out of your tube.
Yeah. Are you mocking the fact that I almost drowned, Aveen?
All around good laugh, until the boxing ring at the end. Doesn't seem right, allowing near blackout drunk people to fight each other. In general, Pai is fine, but doesn't feel like Thailand. I start to miss Chiang Mai City. However, the sunset spot is special.
Pie is sick. I love pie. And I get stuck in the pie hole. Top 10 views ever. Genuinely.
The unfortunate thing about befriending foreigners is that everyone is always leaving. Either tomorrow, next week, or next month.
This might be my last one of these
Last one of what?
interviews.
Oh yeah!
No, this is a nice way to spend the last day in Chiang Mai. I'm shocked that this isn't like more like, oh, you have to go to this national park and go for a walk. Because I had never heard of this until you said it. It's pretty beautiful. And it was a good day out.
You gonna miss Chiang Mai? Or are you just gonna miss me?
I'm gonna miss you. Probably more than Chiang Mai. But Chiang Mai has grown on me over the week or two.
Alone again. No more Phello. Going forward, Chanben Kontai. The guy beside me is Ray.
The best guy in Thailand!
When the club closes, he asks if I want to go karaoke. Sure. We party until sunrise.
You're like the greatest guy ever.
Welcome to Thailand!
I think I made my first local friend.
It's 5:30. The sun is setting. What a night. Thai people go hard. And I love them.
But I should also try to make friends with folks who aren't such party animals to balance things out.
No, you. Well done. Are you proud?
Yes.
Meet M.
What did you think of the elephants?
That's so cute. The elephant looks like so small, but it's so big.
There is nobody else whose face lights up as much as hers when food is put in front of them.
What are you doing?
Wow.
You like?
My first ever hot pot. Quite popular this side of the world. Drop bits of meat and vegetables inside and let them cook.
So, how you feel?
Happy.
As part of this cultural exchange, I present to M alcohol. This I know well. Her first ever pina colada.
Wow. Oh my god.
Familiar watering holes are a must if you were to fall in love with the place. My two are Kay's bar, which he runs mostly by himself.
This is my bar.
It is one of the coolest bars I've ever come across.
Nice. Thank you so much for that. It's the small bar in the center of the city, right?
Yeah.
The name is a hard cocktail bar.
Kay is a fountain of knowledge and so calm.
Do you think the future is positive? The future is good?
Yes, the picture is good. Pretty sure because last year I open this bar first, not too much tourists coming.
Yeah.
But on the high season this season is everything get better step by step.
He is an excellent contrast to Chill Out Bar and its bombastic, hilarious owner.
How was it?
I'm drunk already.
Friend come by, everybody happy. Friend happy, I happy.
Step 3. Do something you'd never do back home. How comfortable are you with your sexuality?
Tonight, the Lady Boys show. I'm looking forward to this.
It's okay to admit, ladyboys are hot.
My job is a manager here. If you come to Chiang Mai, don't forget to come to Lady Boy Show. Chiang Mai Cabaret Show. Yeah, the best one in Chiang Mai. I love Chiang Mai.
Hey gang, how you doing? Okay. First time in Chiang Mai.
Yeah.
Opinion about the Ladyboy show?
It was very good. Very
good.
professional. Very beautiful. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I just can't. I think they're prettier than me.
You were well into it. You ran back for ABBA.
Yeah, who wouldn't? It's a fun night. Oh my gosh. Is that a second show? Or is it usually?
You want to go again?
Riding high from last night's show, I agree to some local food with M.
I will eat all. I will eat all.
The ladyboys make me more comfortable than what is on these plates.
Delicious. This hot and spicy. This soft and sweet. Well, this is pork. Everyone loves pork. That's a bit trickier to eat. But I think I like, and Oh wait, hang on. Oh. I like it.
Lamb pandan.
ลาบผ่าตัด
Step 4. Settle in. I really start to feel like I belong by now. That I know this city, where to go, what to eat, and some of its people. Even making more friends.
Hello, my name is and a new friend with Adam. Actually, I'm quite shy.
But the unfortunate thing about befriending foreigners is that everyone is always leaving, and now it's my turn.
I'm gonna miss this place a lot.
There are two people I need to see first. Polar opposites in personalities. As for Ray, we're drinking beers and shots of something by the river.
Good. Yeah, I can see on your face. How do you say to someone like, oh, Chab Mai? If I was to ask you, do you like?
Chab Mai?
Chab Mai? Yeah. Oh, okay, I knew that. Come on. Okay.
I bring M to the same lake myself and Aveen adore so much.
What is your favorite thing about Chiang Mai?
Food.
Food?
Yes.
What's your favorite food?
Everything. The Thai food.
And what do you think of the lake?
That's so cool, but I'm tired.
You want to come back here?
Next time.
Follow my steps and you too will fall in love with any place. Perhaps that'll be Chiang Mai, just like me.
There's one final question I forgot to ask you. What do you think makes a good life?
Just sleep and relax and eat.
Chiang Mai is going to be hard to say goodbye to. A lot of really cool people, a lot of new experiences, a lot of hopefully lasting bonds. What noise are you making over there?
On my feet.